grow them in abundance like this? People.
For centuries,
Okay.
in many cultures, grapes have been known as the queen of fruits due to it being one of the most nutritious and medicinal foods. From regulating blood pressure, maintaining smooth skin, to anti-aging properties, the beauty and health benefits of grapes are wide and varied.
Grape by itself. Look up earlier. Cockroach. You like grape?
Grapes are full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are also full of water, which can help to keep you hydrated. Years ago, it was thought that grapes could not be cultivated on a commercial basis in Jamaica, as the constants required for grape production are determined by the weather, which, in Jamaica, is sometimes unpredictable. Grapes require dry conditions all the time, as water quickly spoils the fruits. The plants also require adequate sunshine and cooling. One place where conditions have been proven perfect for grape cultivation is Hellshire, St. Catherine. Grapes have also been grown successfully on a commercial basis in sections of St. Thomas. Let's look at 10 ways grapes can benefit your health. 1. Grapes regulate insulin and provide benefits to type 2 diabetics. A study titled Type 2 Diabetics and the Glycemic Response to Grapes or Grape Products, which was published in the Journal of Nutrition, found that with a low mean glycemic index and glycemic load, grapes or grape products may provide health benefits to type 2 diabetics. According to the paper, grapes, especially the dark-colored ones, have an abundance of antioxidant molecules that have the ability to regulate insulin. This is because grapes contain numerous polyphenols, including resveratrol and anthocyanins, that have shown potential for reducing hyperglycemia. 2. Grapes help to maintain healthy skin. Grapes are loaded with antioxidants for healthy, glowing skin. They are known to improve skin elasticity and improve blood circulation, which keeps skin looking healthy and young. A 2011 study titled The Grape Antioxidant Resveratrol for Skin Disorders, Promise, Prospects, and Challenges stated that antioxidant properties of the compound resveratrol found in grapes work very well against the high oxidative stress that skin cells frequently come under. The study, which was conducted by researchers from the University of Wisconsin, also said that resveratrol has shown promise against skin diseases. 3. Grapes may slow signs of aging and promote longevity. A study conducted by researchers from the Cardiovascular Research Center at the University of Connecticut School of Medicine, which was published in the Journal of Genes and Nutrition, found that grapes may have a positive impact on health and lifespan. The study, which was titled Longevity Nutrients, Resveratrol, Wines and Grapes, also said that grape extracts can induce anti-aging genes. The antioxidants present in grapes help reduce the appearance of dark spots, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. 4. Grapes promote hair growth, prevents hair loss, and improves volume. Studies have shown that resveratrol found in grapes can promote hair growth and may be a potential candidate for the treatment of hair loss. The linoleic acid present in grapeseed oil is also known to strengthen hair follicles and improve hair growth. Grapes can be extremely beneficial when it comes to combating hair loss. Their seeds contain antioxidants that help stimulate blood flow and encourage hair growth. They also contain compounds which prevent dihydrotestosterone or DHT production, which is a major factor in hair loss in men. The oil from grape seeds also boosts shine in dry, brittle hair by locking in moisture to prevent frizz, split ends, and breakage. The oil can also help treat dandruff and other conditions caused by a dry, flaky scalp. Number 5. Grapes help to reduce risk of chronic diseases. A study conducted by researchers from the Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. noted that epidemiological evidence has linked the consumption of grapes, which is one of the most popular and widely cultivated and consumed fruits in the world, with reduced risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancers and cardiovascular diseases. At the Resveratrol and Health Third International Conference in 2015, it was noted that resveratrol, the naturally occurring polyphenol found in red grapes, has been linked to health and disease prevention because of its demonstrated cardioprotective, antioxidative, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer effects. Number 6. Grapes help to reduce cancer risk. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, in a report titled Grapes, Resveratrol, and More, grapes should be eaten regularly, as resveratrol and a wide variety of phytocompounds found in grapes are likely to help the fruit play a role in the diet to reduce cancer risk. Number 7. Grapes provide protection from the sun's ultraviolet rays. The powerful antioxidants in grapes may help protect against damage to the skin caused by the sun's ultraviolet radiation in healthy adults, according to a study by researchers in the University of Alabama at Birmingham's Department of Dermatology. In the research paper, which was published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology, a reported 74.8% increase in natural protection of the skin was shown when 19 healthy human subjects orally ingested a powder of freeze-dried grapes for 14 days. 8. Aids in brain function and cognition. A 2017 study in the European Journal of Nutrition titled Cognitive Mood Improvements Following Acute Supplementation with Purple Grape Juice in Healthy Young Adults noted that phenolic compounds found in grapes have been associated with a number of health benefits, including the augmentation of human brain function and cognition. The study, which was conducted by scientists from the Brain, Performance and Nutrition Center, Northumbria University, and the School of Agriculture, Food and Rural Development at the Newcastle University in the United Kingdom, concluded that purple grape juice can acutely enhance aspects of cognition and mood. 9. Grapes are good for the heart. Compounds in grapes may protect against heart disease by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. A 2013 study titled Grapes and Grape Products, Their Role in Health, carried out by the Department of Nutritional Sciences at the University of Connecticut, which was published in the journal Nutrition Today, reported that grapes and grape juice have strong cardioprotective and anti-inflammatory effects in adults. Number 10. Grapes help in lowering blood pressure. A randomized controlled trial among hypertensive patients titled The Impact of Grapeseed Extract Treatment on Blood Pressure Changes found that grapeseed extract exerted a beneficial impact on blood pressure. The study, which was published in the Medicine Baltimore Journal, revealed that the impact was more obvious in younger or obese subjects, as well as in patients with metabolic disorders. Another article titled Effect of Grape Polyphenols on Blood Pressure, a meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials, which was published in the Public Library of Science Journal, found that daily grape polyphenol intake can significantly reduce the systolic blood pressure in humans although the reduction is modest when compared with antihypertensive medications. The darker variety of grapes are considered to be by far the most nutritious, and if you can find them with seeds, that is considered to be even better. In 2020, Jamaica imported US $2.63 million in grapes, becoming the 104th largest importer of grapes in the world. Jamaica imports grapes primarily from Turkey, the United States, and Chile. There are opportunities for Jamaican farmers to cultivate grapes. The consumption of table grapes worldwide is increasing. A recent report from Knowledge Sourcing on table grape market size, share, and opportunities noted that rising awareness regarding the benefits of consuming various healthy and sustainable fruits is further boosting the consumption of table grapes. This, the report said, has been positively impacting the growth of the table grape market, which will remain one of the world's main exported fruits.
So usually the grapes ripen during what time of the year? Just right through there?
Depends on when it's coming here.
Okay.
Because we have a big crop already finished.
Oh! Look at this. Look at this. Grapes galore.
Grapes usually take 3 months between blossoming and reaching maturity. So there are opportunities in Jamaica for the growing of grapes, if not for commercial purposes, for your own household purposes for skin, hair, and general well-being.
And this feel heavy, this feel like this is probably half a pound, Look at this. Look at this, grapes. Grapes. Look at this, grapes, young grapes. Look at this, grapes. Look at this, more grapes. You come down here, more grapes. Grapes upon grapes. Look at this.
I want to try it.
Grapes. Down here.
I want to try it.
Grapes.
I want to try it.